Enjoy the presentation tour. There are 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom in this spacious 1,069 square foot listing. To arrange a time to stop by and view this listing, or if you would like more information, please contact 413-687-7870. That's 413-687-7870. Thank you for your interest in this listing and enjoy the presentation tour.